Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can make your Nokia C31 louder. So sadly we don't have any options in the sound settings like an equalizer or something like that. So in this phone we have to download a volume booster app. This is the name of this app, so open the Google Store, install it, then launch it like me and click 3 times no thank you. Then close the window and click OK. And now, how you can see by this little slider, you can increase and decrease the volume booster power. If you want to turn off this service, just tap on this button, click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.